Far beyond Earth, beyond Mars, beyond the asteroid belt, and deep within the realm of the giant planets, a frozen world circles Jupiter in near total darkness. At first glance, it looks completely lifeless. A bright sphere covered in ice. A barren moon trapped in one of the harshest environments in the solar system. Temperatures plunge to nearly minus 160 degrees Celsius. Radiation from Jupiter bombards its surface relentlessly. There is no breathable atmosphere, no forests, no oceans visible beneath the sky, no signs of civilization. Nothing about Europa appears welcoming. And yet, among all the worlds humanity has discovered beyond Earth, Europa may be one of the most promising places to search for life. Not intelligent life, not cities hidden beneath the ice, but something potentially far more important. A second Genesis, an entirely independent ecosystem that emerged beyond Earth. And if that possibility is real, it could change everything we know about our place in the universe. Because Europa is not simply a frozen moon. It may be an ocean world, a world hiding a vast liquid ocean beneath its icy shell. An ocean so enormous that it could contain more water than all of Earth's oceans combined. And that possibility has transformed Europa from an obscure moon into one of the most fascinating destinations in planetary science. The story begins with Jupiter, the largest planet in the solar system. A giant world whose immense gravity dominates an entire miniature planetary system of moons. Among them are 4 major satellites first observed by Galileo Galilei in 1610. These worlds would later become known as the Galilean moons: Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. For centuries, they appeared as little more than distant points of light. But modern spacecraft revealed something extraordinary. Europa's surface is unlike almost anything else in the solar system. Instead of impact craters covering every region, the moon displays vast networks of fractures stretching across its icy exterior. Dark reddish lines crisscross the landscape. Enormous cracks cut through frozen plains. Some regions appear surprisingly young, as if the surface has been reshaped repeatedly over time. And that observation immediately raised questions. Because old surfaces accumulate craters, young surfaces do not. Something seemed to be renewing Europa's exterior, something beneath the ice. Then came one of the most important discoveries ever made about the moon. Scientists realized that Europa may not be frozen solid at all. Instead, beneath the outer shell lies a global ocean, a massive body of liquid water extending around the entire moon, hidden beneath kilometers of ice. At first, this seemed impossible. Europa is extremely cold, far from the sun, too distant to receive significant solar heating. Logic suggested any water should have frozen billions of years ago. Yet Europa has a secret source of energy: gravity. More specifically, Jupiter's gravity. As Europa orbits the giant planet, Jupiter continuously pulls on the moon. The strength and direction of those forces change throughout each orbit. The result is tidal flexing. Europa is constantly being squeezed and stretched, bent and compressed, again and again, day after day, year after year. For billions of years, this relentless flexing generates heat deep inside the moon. Enough heat, scientists believe, to maintain a liquid ocean beneath the frozen crust. And that changes everything. Because wherever liquid water exists, one of the most important ingredients for life is present. On Earth, water is essential to every known ecosystem, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, from tropical rainforests to hydrothermal vents hidden in complete darkness. Life follows water, which naturally leads to the next question. Could life exist inside Europa's ocean? The idea sounds extraordinary. Yet when scientists examine the requirements for life, Europa begins checking surprising numbers of boxes. First, there's liquid water. potentially enormous amounts of it. Second, there is energy. The tidal forces generated by Jupiter continually inject energy into Europa's interior. Third, there may be chemistry. Interactions between water, rock, and dissolved minerals could provide ingredients necessary for biological processes. And perhaps most intriguingly, Earth already possesses environments that resemble what scientists imagine beneath Europa's ice. Deep beneath our oceans lie hydrothermal vent systems, regions where hot water emerges from the seafloor carrying minerals and chemical compounds. These environments support thriving ecosystems despite receiving no sunlight whatsoever. Entire communities of organisms survive using chemical energy rather than photosynthesis. For decades, scientists assumed sunlight was essential for complex ecosystems. Hydrothermal vents proved otherwise. Life found another way, and that discovery dramatically expanded possibilities for worlds like Europa. Because if life can survive around deep ocean vents on Earth, perhaps similar ecosystems could exist beneath Europa's frozen shell. Perhaps. But there is a crucial distinction. Possibility is not evidence. Scientists have never detected life on Europa. No organism has been observed. No biological sample has been collected. No direct proof exists. What researchers possess instead is a growing collection of clues suggesting Europa may be habitable. And habitability is an important concept. A world does not need to contain life to be habitable. It simply needs conditions capable of supporting it. Europa appears increasingly likely to meet that standard. Yet enormous mysteries remain. How thick is the ice shell? How deep is the ocean? Does the seafloor interact with the water above? Are essential chemical nutrients present? Could biological processes actually emerge and persist there? No one knows, because humanity has never explored Europa directly. Not really. Most knowledge comes from distant observations and brief spacecraft flybys. The legendary Galileo mission provided many of the earliest detailed measurements. Subsequent observations strengthened the case for a hidden ocean. Researchers even identified evidence suggesting plumes of water vapor may occasionally erupt from the moon's surface. If confirmed, those plumes could offer scientists a remarkable opportunity. Instead of drilling through kilometers of ice, future spacecraft might sample material naturally ejected from the ocean below. A direct window into Europa's hidden environment. And that possibility has become one of the most exciting goals in planetary exploration. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission is designed specifically to investigate these questions. The spacecraft will perform dozens of close flybys, mapping the surface, studying the ice shell, analyzing potential plumes, measuring magnetic signatures, searching for clues about the ocean hidden beneath. Its objective is not necessarily to find life directly. Rather, it aims to determine whether Europa possesses the conditions needed for life to exist. And that distinction matters, because before scientists can search for life confidently, they must first understand the environment itself, the structure of the ice, the chemistry of the ocean, the movement of water beneath the surface. Every answer helps narrow one of the biggest scientific questions humanity has ever asked. Are we alone? For most of history, Earth appeared unique, the only known world with oceans, weather, and life. But discoveries over recent decades have changed that perspective. Water appears throughout the solar system, beneath icy moons, inside distant worlds, locked within ancient rocks. The ingredients for life may be far more common than once imagined. And Europa sits near the center of that realization. A frozen moon orbiting a giant planet, a place once dismissed as a dead world, now considered one of the most promising locations in the search for extraterrestrial life. And perhaps the strangest reality is this. If life exists on Europa, it may have been thriving there for millions or even billions of years, completely unnoticed. hidden beneath a shell of ice, separated from the rest of the universe, growing in darkness while humanity looked toward the stars. Because somewhere beneath Europa's frozen surface, beneath kilometers of ancient ice, an ocean may be waiting, and within that ocean may lie one of the greatest discoveries in the history of science.